To explain that how we can achieve dependency injection through the auto wiring. So in my previous video I have already explained what is the dependencies and what are the different ways to achieve the dependency injection. So dependency injection, if you see in very nutshell, what is that? If you suppose if you have one Java class, the debit card, and in debit card you want one POJO as an address, so you want to inject the address inside the debit card Java class, right? And this is called the dependency injection. So through the auto wiring, it's very easy to solve this kind of the dependency injection with help of the auto wiring, right? So we can implement the auto wiring either through the XML configuration or through the annotation of the auto wiring, right? So we have the two ways. So in this video I will go show the hands-on through the XML, and the next video I would show through the annotation. But it is my personal recommendation, please visit all my previous video on the Spring for better understanding, and please be kind and subscribe this channel. Okay, doing this I will also see what is the qualifier, what is the auto wired, and the primary, all those things we will see that. So let us start the hands-on. So open the Eclipse, create one project, Maven project. So new, open, and go the Maven. And here use the Maven project. Click here, make the sample project and give some name. I am giving the name Spring Auto Wiring. Wiring means connecting of the two component here, right? So it is the Spring Auto Wiring. Go the form.xml because we have to add the dependency to make compatible this project, right, for the Spring framework. So come here and add this dependency, right? This is the optional, this is the important that we should have in pom.xml to resolve all the dependencies. Okay, and now we have to need one configuration file. So or first create some object, right? So you create some POJO or class, Java class, so it will be easy for us. I will recommend just make one Java package and go here, right click, new, and the package, and give the name package di, simple di, right? And here we can create some Java class, the give name, we can give the name debit card, right? And in debit card I need one address, right? I have one properties file, the address. So if you click here, and you can create the with the name of the address in the same package, right? So address, make one small POJO, no need to do very big. So I will make one small, give the two name, two property, name and city, and make one constructor by which we can pass the both value. That's it. Now in debit card you come, and debit card I would recommend that you should have one default constructor to work for the auto wiring, and also you should have one um, constructor who will, where you pass the address, and make one setter file also, setter method also who will set that. Why I am doing, I will explain during the my code walkthrough, right? And of course push one write one method to identify whether my code is working or not. So this is my debit card code. Okay, once you done it, now how you make the object, in the bin. So we should have one XML file, right, where inside the resource I have explained very detail in the previous video. I would recommend please visit, create one XML file, it should come. Okay, sometime it does not come. Go here others and go the XML and create the simple XML file. You can give any name, but let me give the name application contest underscore debit. Right. And to make the compatible for this, the Java means for the Spring framework, so you have to add some metadata information. So you add this. Anyhow, I will share the code. I will give the descriptions. You can see the code, copy the code from GitHub. Okay. And of course, we have to give the bin. Sorry. What happened? Okay. Give the bin, right? Now we have to create. How you used to do that? So if you see the simple way, how you used to do that, we used to create one. First we create the object for the address, right? So if I create the address, first to make the object for the address, so what we used to do, we used to make the, yeah, so make the one, right? We make one bin for the address, and in address, if you see in the constructor, we are passing the two value, one for the name, for the city, right? So I'm passing these two value, right? And now we used to create the one bin for the debit card. So if you see, we used to do this way in my previous video. So here I have not used the auto wiring, and this is the traditional way we used to do that, right? So what we do, we create one debit card, and as an argument I used to pass the address, right? And then you create one demo class to run this code, and void main, I need the void main. And now we have to create one bin factory, means application contest by which we can create the bin for the debit card, right? So if you see, this is the application contest, and that is the bin factory. They will create the bin with the help of your configuration file, and this is my configuration file. So what I say, hey contest, give me the one bin by name of D card, and if you go here in the application contest, we have the D card, right? So they will give the bin to you, and whatever you want to do that. So when they will give the bin to you, while making this object, they will see we have the one reference of address. So they will come to the address and make this object, they will inject into the debit card, and then debit card will inject to you this variable. So run this code and see, it's working fine. It should work fine as per my expectation. Everything working fine. It's hitting the constructor here, right? It's working fine. But where is the auto wiring? So for the auto wiring, no need to create in this way. It should be the automatic, it should be the wire, right? So we will go, then I no need this one. You remove this. I don't want. Instead of that, see, I use the auto wire magic word, and I say by name. Means what is the name? Name is the address here, right? And the same address in the debit card I am using. So this word address should match with this address, and it will do the auto wiring. So no need to pass the constructor argument in the debit card as just now we have done, right? So now you go and run the code. This code still is, it will work with the help of the auto wiring. So run this code, it should work. It is working fine, because in the configuration I just use the auto wiring, and by name it is connected, right? So name should be matched. If you give the different name here, so suppose I give the address 1. Now you trying to run this code, it will not work. If you see, I am calling the same method demo, it is not working because they are expecting by the name, right? So that's why this is not work. Another type we have the by type. What says by type? He say hey Spring framework, don't go for the name, go for the type. So what is the type for this class? Address. And in debit card, what I'm expecting the address. So this time it will not go this part, it will see this object name address. If it is matching, then it will work. Now you see, if I go run the code, it should work because this time it is make the auto wiring with the help of the type. See, it is working this time. But problem is that with the type, now if you have the suppose two instances with the same type, address 1 and the address 2, I make the little bit different here, so just for identification purpose. Now I have the 2. Now here it will confuse. He is saying by type, but I have the 2 bin of the same type. Then what will happen? You know, you run the code, then you will understand. It is giving the error. Why it is giving the error? He is saying I am expecting single matching bin, but I found the 2 bin. So it will not work here, right? So now the another way is to work, right? So another way to work with the constructor. So go here, instead of the by type, you use the constructor, right? So now what happen when you go the constructor, then suppose you have the one more, you have the suppose 3 bin. Now we have the 3 bin, right? I change the constructor, I have the 3 bin, but this bin address is here, right? And if you go the debit card, its bin has the address here, right? Debit card. So this time it should work. And you can see also the message that it is hitting the constructor. And through the constructor, what was the matching with address is the Microsoft USA, right? It is Microsoft USA. It is working fine, right? And now suppose if you want to give the add to here, add to, then check what is happening. It is giving the error. Why it is giving the error? Because when you do the constructor, it works on the name, means this name should match, right? If you give the add to here also, lot of code have to change. Now okay, here also. Now you run this demo class, it should work fine, right? Yeah. Now you run this demo class. What is the problem? Okay, sorry, demo class. Here also you have to change. Now if you run here, it is working fine, right? So for the constructor, you have to change the properties name. It works on the by name, right? This is the 3-way what I was explaining here. So you can see that. In the next video, we will see that without the with the help of the annotation of the auto wiring, how you can do that, right? So this time you use the XML, so that's why in the XML I use the auto wiring by name, by type, by constructor. But in the next video we will see the annotation based. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel. A lot of effort is going there behind that. Please be kind and subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thank you.